Hello, I'm Sian Evans. I'm a consultant in public health and I'm the programme lead for environmentally sustainable health and care in the Primary Care Division in Public Health Wales. I'm delighted to announce the relaunch of our Greener Primary Care Wales Framework and Awards scheme. As a team, should you choose to join us, we're really looking forward to working with you to make your practice more environmentally sustainable, to help you save money, to improve the health of your patients, and of course, to help the planet. I will now hand you over to Angharad Wooldridge, who will tell you a bit more about the scheme. Thank you for listening.
Croeso i'r fideo byr hwn am fframwaith a chynllun gwobrwyo Gofal Sylfaenol Gwyrdach Cymru. Welcome to this short video about the Greener Primary Care Wales Framework and Award Scheme. The scheme is now open for year 4 and 5 after 3 successful years. We really hope your team will consider joining our growing community of climate-friendly primary care professionals. It's quick and easy to get started. Simply visit this website, create an account for free, and browse through our selection of carefully chosen climate-friendly actions. You choose which actions to implement, how many, and in what order. And when you're finished, you'll receive a national award in recognition of your hard work and dedication. If you're a team that's returning from previous years, we can't wait to welcome you back and support you in achieving even more climate-friendly actions. For 2025, we've developed the scheme in response to feedback from teams, so that there is now an extended window of 2 years to implement actions to achieve an award, rather than the previous 1 year. To find out more, visit our web pages on Primary Care 1, where you'll find lots of helpful resources, including case studies from practices like yours. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we look forward to working with you. If you have any questions about the scheme or environmental sustainability in primary care, please contact us at greenerprimarycare@wales.nhs.uk. Diolch am wrando a phob lwc I chi. We will now leave you with a short animation about the scheme.
The Greener Primary Care Wales Framework and Award Scheme was designed to help primary care reduce its environmental impact. In 2019, Wales was the first parliament in the world to announce a climate emergency. At that time, NHS Wales produced over 1 million tonnes of CO2 equivalent every year, the highest in the public sector. Our climate in Wales is already changing. This affects us all and can negatively impact on patient and population health and well-being. It can also make it difficult to deliver primary and community healthcare services. We can all help by acting now. To do this, we need to work together to collectively reach the Net Zero Wales ambition. We're inviting teams from across general practices, community pharmacies, primary care dental surgeries, and optometry practices to join others who are already taking action to reduce their carbon footprint by registering with the Greener Primary Care Wales Framework and Award Scheme. The framework contains a variety of actions to choose from to suit your interests and is tailored to your practice's circumstances. Suggestions and resources on how to start combating climate change are provided. Getting involved is easy. It's free, available online, and open to all members of staff. Just register as a team, select which actions you want to work towards, and upload evidence to prove that you've completed them. This evidence will then be used to recognise your achievements with an award. You and your team may even be thinking about or doing some of these actions already, as part of your personal, professional, and organisational duties. In taking part, you'll be leading the way for your profession, making small but significant changes to create a larger, cumulative effect. Visit Greener Primary Care Wales to find out more and register using the registration code 44247. The Greener Primary Care Wales Framework and Award Scheme, helping you to take action to reduce the harmful effects of climate change in Wales.